everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Paletteful Packs box for May 2020. The first item is a Sakura Pigma Professional Brush Pen, and it is bold and in black. According to jetpens.com, this is normally $3.90. This versatile brush pen features a specially designed nib that provides consistent ink delivery across its sides and tip, as well as superior bounce and shape retention over long periods of use. The archival quality Pigma pigment ink is waterproof and fade resistant, and will not smear, feather, or bleed through on most papers. Small nubs on the cap prevent the pen from rolling away. I've used one of these before and they do work pretty well. The next two items are some fine liners, specifically some Pentel Arts point liner pens. And I couldn't find these individually listed anywhere, but according to dickblick.com, a set of 5 is normally at a retail price of $12.95. The two sizes we have here are a 0.1 and a 0.8. Pentel Arts point liner pens have pigmented black ink that is water resistant and fade resistant. Their durable plastic nibs in a variety of point designs are designed for drawing, illustration, comics, and sketching. These worked alright. They work about as well as any other fine liner I've ever used. The third item we have is a Sakura Pigma Micron 05 fine point pen. This one is in black, and according to michaels.com, this is normally $3.79. Ideal for cartoonists, illustrators, architects, and more, the Sakura Micron Fine Point Pen offers smooth, crisp, and skip-free writing every single time. The uniquely formulated Pigma ink has unparalleled archival quality that makes it waterproof and bleed and fade resistant. Designed with a 0.45mm nib, this pen is ideal for projects that need accuracy and minute detailing. So in this box, we definitely got a variety of black markers already. We have even more markers coming. This box also includes a Sakura Koi coloring brush pen set. This is a 12-piece set, and according to dickblick.com, the retail price for this is normally $29.88. These flexible brush markers contain a dye-based transparent ink that blends easily to create a multitude of hues. They're great for students, graphic artists, designers, and illustrators. Fine, medium, or bold strokes are easy to achieve simply by varying the pressure on the brush nib. Use the blender pen to create seamless washes and color gradations. Koi coloring brush pens are odorless, ideal for those with chemical sensitivities. This ink is not waterproof or fade resistant. This set includes yellow, orange, pale orange, brown, red, pink, purple, sky blue, yellow, green, green, blue, and black. It looks like these can be used to like watercolor, so maybe if I add a little bit of water, I can get some watercolor-like effects. I did notice that they don't really seem to blend that well, and the set does not come with a blending pen. It's just something they talked about in the description. So I will see when I play around with these for a project in the next video how well it works out. I also have a feeling I'm not going to use all of the colors in a single project. To bring out some highlights, we got a Sakura Jelly Roll Classic Gel Pen in white, and it is a 1.0mm nib. And on jetpens.com, it is normally $1.35 for this here pen. Invented in the 1980s, the Jelly Roll was the world's first gel ink pen. Since then, Sakura has continued to refine and improve their gel ink formula. This Jelly Roll Classic Pen features rich, smooth ink that is archival, waterproof, fade-resistant, and resistant to chemicals used to commit check fraud. The ink also resists feathering and bleed through on most papers. For featuring opaque white ink, this pen is great for artwork and crafts. As you can see here, I tested it over the Koi markers that we got. We also got some papers to play around with, and they are some Stonehenge Aqua papers. Stonehenge Aqua is about the endless possibilities of an extraordinary watercolor paper. Wet on wet or wet on dry, it has a wonderful crispness that anchors beautiful work across every task and technique. With Stonehenge Aqua, blending is effortless, lifting is no longer a chore. It welcomes masking while never relinquishing the control you both demand and desire. Bright colors dry bright. Blocks or sheets, it is a flat paper that dries flat. Cold press or hot press? Stonehenge Aqua is everything an expensive paper is without the expense. And it looks like we got one of each cold press, hot press, and cold press heavy to try out in this month's box. I've used the hot press before and the cold press heavy before, and I really liked both of them. When I do need more paper, I will probably eventually buy it. But those are all the items that we got in this month's Paletteful Packs box. I am looking forward to playing around with the koi markers to see exactly what those are all about with the finished project, and I am excited to get to play around with the Stonehenge papers again. But that is everything that came in this month's box. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, please let me know all about those in that comment section down below. Also let me know if you've used any of the items that came in this month's box before. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Paletteful Packs unboxings once a month. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!